To make this delicious filling, you're gonna need 1 can of condensed milk. We're also gonna be needing some heavy whipping cream. Right here, we're gonna be measuring our whipping cream. We're gonna need 200 grams. I actually have some left over right here. So that's 200 grams of heavy whipping cream. And we also need 20 grams of butter. Perfect. We're gonna add our condensed milk to our pan. Also going to add our heavy cream. Now we're gonna mix very, very well. So this takes a while, you guys. Don't stop mixing, and you're gonna wanna have it at a medium-high heat. Right here, you can see that it's coming together, but it's still really liquidy, so we're gonna cook this for a little bit longer. Right here it's boiling. Don't stop mixing. We're gonna keep going. I lowered the heat to a medium-low heat, and we're just gonna continue mixing until it thickens up. Here we're almost there. It's getting a little bit thicker. As you guys can see, the line disappears a little bit slower, but we're still gonna continue cooking. Again, don't stop mixing. You can see the difference in our mixture. It is a lot thicker. We're gonna turn it off. This is how you know it's ready. When the line takes a little bit longer to disappear. Now we're gonna be adding our butter. We're gonna melt this. So after this, I completely forgot that I was explaining to you everything on the video. So I'm just gonna do a voiceover. But you're gonna wanna transfer your mixture to a glass container, and we're gonna cover this with some plastic wrap. Make sure that the plastic wrap is touching your filling because we don't want a crust to form on top. Now we're gonna place this in the fridge, and we're gonna let it set in there. I usually leave this in the fridge for about a day, and then the next day I'll just fill my cakes. It is a very stable filling. It kind of reminds me of Dulce de Leche. I wanted my filling to be stable because she was going to travel with this cake for about 4 hours, so that made me a little bit nervous. For any filling that I do, I like to do a rim of buttercream. This is actually chocolate ganache because it's more stable. I'm also going to be uploading that ganache recipe for you guys soon because it's so good. It's perfect for summer days, and it's really delicious. My cake was 3 layers. This is the second layer right here. And now we're gonna cover it with more cake. After I stacked my cake, I started carving it because I'm making a Snoopy house cake. I think I also forgot that I was explaining to you guys everything on the video because I started watching Love is Blind and I got hooked on it. I love watching a show when I'm baking and decorating. I just feel like it puts me in my zone. But this is how the cake turned out. It was so beautiful. I added fairy lights around the house and glitter on the grass. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure that you subscribe if you do, and I'll see you guys on the next one.